Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. I'm just over here freaking thinking like I'm kind of hot right now, man. I'm sitting here seeing these videos that trigger me, and it's like, shoot, I see things like, and you know, I'm over here looking at this Johnny Depp case and that whatever that bitch name, it's that pale bitch he was with, Alice or something, whatever. I guess she trying to act like he was an abuser, and I'm looking at him on an interview with the red carpet, and I'm picking up the cues that look how uncomfortable he looks. You know that look, and then that motherfucking bitch, she want to be around him, dog. You know what, dog? She want to be freaking around him. Like, I seen that. He's sitting there trying to, like, she didn't want him to do an interview, but yet he goes and does it because he got to conduct his business. And look, bro, she want to be around him, like, part of it, y'all. And I remember that feeling, like, I remember that feeling exactly with my biological mother, bro, who is a narcissist. That bitch, I used to be trying to walk, and that bitch used to be trying to be pounding, like, next to me, like, right next to me, trying to get around, like, I used to be like, you know, like, wanted to get this bitch off me. She wouldn't get off me, man. Like, she wanted to go everywhere. I'm like, man, you gotta move, bitch. Like, you gotta move, like, get the frick out of me. Like, literally stand up, you know, uncomfortable feel on my shoulders, bro. You know what I'm saying? And this is, like, great, too. Like, I'm away from the narcissist now. From that narcissist. She knows I stay out here. I mean, shiz, man. Like, I swear to freaking gosh, it feels like once you leave one narcissist, you think you leave another. It's like a narcissistic system. This is what people talk about. I don't think enough people talk about it. They say, just leave the narcissist. Yes. Okay. One, they don't tell you how. They don't talk about plans and steps, financial-wise, if anything. And we got a tool for that, and it's a link in the description, business course. We'll further elaborate on that later. But I'm going to say this. It's like they don't talk about how to leave. Or how to, you know, just getting out, you know, because it's like once you get out, like, once you leave that one, like, this really, like, usually more around, like, surrounded, a bunch of narcissists, a narcissistic system, like, just thinking and getting the clarity. And I'm just seeing all these, like, I seen the people at my job, they were narcissists, and then the people here at this freaking bum-ass hotel, this bum-ass bitch, like, I'm thinking about this bum-ass bitch. I think I just woke, I know how to explain the story, I'm not trying to get trapped into it, but it's like, this bitch was like, something like, y'all treat us like saying the S word and all this. This is a rat bitch. You know, she's, as what age, as old as she is, this bitch bragging about how she's the head housekeeper at this rinky-dink ass hotel. This is raggedy as hell. Motherfuckers then died here. It had undercover police because of sex trafficking. I know I need to leave. I got some things I'm trying to get in place. I'm trying to get my stuff and insurance I can get on my plate because I need to go out the frick out of state, nigga. I'm tired of being ice cold Michigan, nigga. Frick that. I'm tired of that. I'm just needing, you know, you can't go past the state. You ain't got your plates. You know what I'm saying? I just got a whip. I'm very grateful for that. But, you know, nigga, I need to get stuff right, you know? So, frick. But it was just like, no one talks about how does this assist them. And kind of like just today, bro. Today it was like, I took my, man, I went in, and it's like this little bitch, she works at the front desk at this hotel, and I asked if I had any mail, you know, just checking to see if I had any mail, because my biological father has the same legal name as me, so I got to see if I have mail so I can get my mail before he gets it, because if he gets it, I feel like if I get mail, he's not going to, or being at his past, he's going to open it up, or if he gets my mail, he's not going to try to give it back and say, oh no, this is his. So I seen this little bitch. So this little bitch, she's like, you know, I know this bitch been real fickle. Like, I see her, and she don't even, I see her like, cause she lives here in the hotel, the hotel building, and she also works here. I see her off the clock, like, and she'll be walking, and she'll look directly at me, won't say anything. Whatever, the bitch, that's on you, that's on you. You hear me? That's on you. So, and I think I swear, today I walk in and go check my mail. I think I said, hey, how you doing? And I said, oh, I'm excellent. Something, how are you? And I said, wait, what did you say? Because she had a taco, like literally like Taco Bell, like a taco like shoved near her mouth. And I was like, wait, what did you say? I said, hey, I said, oh, I said, I'm excellent. But I swear I heard her say, how are you? But anyway, anyways. So then I said, whatever, just a little finicky bitch. So then I was like, hey, I had an email. I was like, no, just, I'm like, whatever. I never know if it's you or your dad's. And I'm like, here's that, whatever. No, it's his. So then I'm like, pardon me. So then, and then when I go out, when I step out, I think I asked her when I was getting ready to listen. I asked her what day it was, something like, oh, it's Tuesday. Okay, whatever. Because I got business in hand. Like I said, I'm trying to get stuff done. So then, anyways, as I'm gonna step out, something tells me to go left. But I said, let me see. I said, I'm like, I always go left. Let me go right. I'm just telling you how it happened. So then I went right, and right as I was leaving around the building to the front, and then I see this motherfucking van. This van, whatever, it comes over, and I'm looking at this van. It's like highlighting me, and I see the envelope, and I think it was like a Dodge. I think it was like a Dodge logo in the front. And it's like nighttime, by the way. I forgot to tell you. But I'm just looking at this van, and I'm just looking at it. I'm just like, it's sticking out to me. It's sticking out to me. It crosses over this other parking lot, grass part, where it's not a driveway. You're not supposed to drive. You're not supposed to drive your car past through. But it crosses over through that, and to get it now into this hotel parking lot. And then, so then my dog goes and pees, and I'm looking and walking, and then somebody says my name, and then this one, the friend, the person who was a friend, but was a narcissist, and he's like, hey, and then I'm already walking this way, and my dog. So then we continue walking. He's like, hey, come here. He's like, hey, come here. He says my name, come here, and I'm like, the frick out of here. You know what I'm saying? It was the same person. It was a van with them, and while they were fighting, him and his girlfriend were fighting, and her cousin, the girlfriend's cousin, he took them back, and he got them around in their whip, and they just got too much drama, and just how they treat, their children, especially if you're in an environment like that, stuff like that. It's like, I don't need to be anywhere around that. I don't need to be anywhere near with that. And long story short, because I've already explained this before, you guys seen the previous videos, go ahead. It's up there for you guys to look. So he ends up calling me, talking about you. This was before, after that, talking about, oh, you on some bull stuff, saying the actual S word. It was something with my girl, trying to act like I'm getting with your girl. I'm like, hold on, what? I ain't trying to get with your girl. Something I can heal. I said, well, one, I was just letting him talk, really, because I was like, one, I could heal her, because she said she had a hole in her mouth from, he had hit her in the mouth. It was punch. She said he was fighting her like a dude. From her braces, like a little prick, and then she had a bump in her head. I was like a lump. I think I saw it vaguely, but she was putting the ice there because I gave her a Ziploc baggie of ice, and then I had aloe vera, and then I'm a health coach, and I was gonna use some natural remedies and whatnot, and help her heal, because she was up in my hotel room, with her baby. She just grabbed her baby, and I said, hey, you know what I'm saying, we got enough food. I can make natural stuff too, even for your baby, because her baby even has alopecia, balding. He's 7 months, and she has another one too, but it was with her nurse at the moment, a 2-year-old. But it was with her nurse at the time. So, and she just started spilling stuff. But she told me she had warrants, and it's like, how someone with EBT get warrants? Because I remember, signing up with them before. It's like, oh, some states they won't even give out, food card to people who have, I think, who are felons and whatnot. So they just let them start. So with her having warrants, and you use your EBT card, and that's what the fight was about, saying that because she was with her brother, he was with his brother, and he know his brother don't like her, and he said he's only supposed to spend $10 and don't spend nothing on it with him. So then she said he came back calling her the B word is, bitch, stuff like that. And then But anyway, it's just a lot of drama that's theirs, and she's trying to bring it on to me. And I told her that, hey, since she was over my room, okay, you need to text the nurse and tell the nurse you need to let somebody know, contact your mom, whatever. Oh, she's in test, she's in another time. If somebody, I don't give a frick. If somebody would sleep like that, I let them know, overhand. Let them know there's a text message or call and whatever. Let them know what the frick is going on. But someone like that not bringing it in too. She had me going to the police at 6:30 a.m. That's practically looks like it's nighttime. And the police, they got taking the handles off their guns or whatever, knocking on her door, and she didn't act like she didn't know. Hey, so you put my safety in danger? You put my safety in danger? Frick you, bitch. I can care less. Cause you say, did I call the police? I got 5 missed calls from a number I didn't even know. I was like, who the frick number is this? And then I got another call and the answer. It's like, hey, yeah, could you please come over? Shirley, can you hear me? I mean, golly. You didn't say it's him too, but it's like, I have seen her hit him, his forearm before he gone to work. So, I mean, it's just drama on there, and I don't want to be involved with. And by the way, when I said that, she said, yeah, because she said, yeah, this is not a healthy environment to be in. So he can't be back there. She said, I got my own room. It's my key. He ain't going to get back in there. And how he going to get back in? Because I got my own key. So I said, okay. Do you know, literally, he came